Today's short video about a programming tactic that you can use to machine multiple holes on like drill tap cycles. I like to use it a lot when I have repeatable parts, holes that can be all in a line, like these. Quick, easy way to modify a program that has just only one drill tap hole is to use the loop function. Right here I've got L4, so it'll drill the first hole at the XY location, 1 inch deep, retract 0.2, feet of 12, and then it will retract to that 0.2, and then it will move in the Y direction, whatever amount you put in there, and it will do so 4 times. So in essence you'll get 5 parts. Before this line of code you need the G91, which is the incremental movement, as opposed to the G90, which is your absolute positioning. So you have to make sure and have that G91 in there, and then when it's over I put a G90 in, and then it moves over to this position, calls your drill routine again, comes over to X 2.5, Y negative 0.25, drills down to a depth of 1 inch, and then comes back incremental movement G91, and then it's going to loop 4 times in the Y direction by Y negative 0.505. So I'll hit start and you can watch it run. You can see there it just drilling down, hops up, moves back, or in the Y, that loop amount, loops 4 times, and now it's going to jump to the new XY location, and then it's going to do another 4 loops in the Y direction. Programmed this part initially in Fusion 360 and then just added that loop to the program so I can machine more than one part at a time, because that gets old. So whenever possible, I like to do that. And I went Y 0.505 because the extruded stock that I get isn't exactly 1/2 inch. So that is the one thing you want to watch out for if you're doing this technique, is that, let's say you program, I've got 1/2 inch aluminum, you program a Y loop, Y negative 0.5, but you do 10 parts, you're going to be off by however much material thickness. You know, if you got a piece of material that's over 1/2 inch or under 1/2 inch, by the time you loop it 10 times in that amount, that 10th part could be off 10 times whatever your error was in the thickness of the material. So watch out for that. There you go. 5 parts. Thanks for watching.